So you mentioned some things that we shouldn't do in the house, like watching TV and stuff like that. What are some of the things that children can do for entertainment purposes that don't oppose the Sharia?
So if you take away television from your children, what should you exchange it with? Inshallah, brothers, if you can sit down, the lecture hasn't finished, inshallah ta'ala. If you exchange something with it, that is by reading. So introduce them to the stories of the prophets, books that they can read, beneficial books, 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪, things like that. Now my children are currently reading the book on the qissas of Sahaba, which is 𝗪𝗪 مِنْ حَيَاةِ الصَّحَابَة, for example, by Abdulrahman Hassan, for example, one of those books. You tell them to read it. So they read those books and they read the stories of Abu Bakr and Umar and Uthman and Ali. Whereas if they watch television, their role models are going to be these people and they're going to look up to these people rather than looking up to these people. So reading, for example. And sometimes, I'll be honest with you, you can just tell them stories yourself about your life and the mistakes that you felt that you went through and what you learned from it. Your experience. Kids are entertained by their parents. It's just that the parents can't be bothered to spend time with their children, so they just give the gadget, go, just sit there, leave me alone. And then when the child becomes 30, you're like, Dad, come spend time with me. He's like, no, you never spent time with me when I was young. كما تدين تدان, صح?